Video flashcards number 3. Vocabulary and expressions for ESL students. Gratitude. How many ways can we say thank you? Thanks. Thanks for the coffee. Tomorrow is my treat. Thank you. Thank you for reminding me about daylight saving time. I totally forgot about it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the photos. I love them. You are a great photographer. Appreciate. I know I don't say this enough, but I appreciate everything you do for me. Grateful. I'm grateful for the support you have all given me over the years. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate. Grateful. Thanks for the birthday presents. And thank you for the beautiful card, too. Your message was really moving. It brought me to tears. Oh, and thank you very much for asking everyone to sign the card. I was really surprised to see so many signatures. I really appreciate everything you do for me, and I am grateful to have you for a coworker, teammate, and friend. Now it's your turn.